Let me tell you about a woman named Sarah. She was sitting in her car alone in a parking lot, crying because she had just lost her job. Her relationship had ended 3 weeks before, and her bank account had $1 and $11 in it. She looked up at the sky and said just 5 words: God, are you still there? And then her phone buzzed. A message from a number she didn't recognize, a job offer in a field she had prayed about 2 years earlier and completely forgotten about. Starting salary 3 times what she was making before. She called me later that night and said, it felt like God had been planning that moment for years, like everything that went wrong was just moving me into position. That story is real, and today I believe God is setting up your moment right now today. Here is something nobody talks about. The biggest blessing in your life will never announce themselves in advance. They don't send a calendar invite, they don't give you a warning, they just show up. Disguised as a random Tuesday, a normal afternoon, an ordinary moment that turns out to be anything but ordinary. That today might be that Tuesday for you because something shifted in the spiritual atmosphere around your life recently. I don't know exactly when it happened. Maybe last night while you were sleeping, maybe 3 days ago when you made a decision that felt scary but right. Maybe right now as you are watching this. But the shift happened, and what's coming behind it is going to change everything. Let me be a specific because vague hope doesn't help anybody. Here are 3 concrete things God is moving in your life right now. First, He is closing the wrong doors permanently. That thing that fell apart recently, that person who left, that plan had that failed, God didn't let that happen to you. He moved it out of your way because what is coming requires a clear path. And He is making sure nothing from your past can block what's ahead. Stop worrying the closed doors, they were protecting you. Second, He is connecting you to the right people. There is someone, maybe one person, maybe three, who is about to enter your life. And when they do, you feel it immediately, something will just click. A conversation will feel different. An introduction will feel like it was arranged by something bigger than both of you. Because it was. God is connector and He is about to make introductions that your career, your finances and your future have been waiting for. Third, He is about to give you an idea that will make you money, not somebody, someday, soon. An idea so clear, so specific, so perfectly matched to your skills that you will wonder why you never thought of it before. Write down every idea that comes to you this week, every single one, because one of them is not from your brain, it's from God. Now, let me tell you one thing honest with you for a second, because I'm not here to just make you feel good for 5 minutes and then send you back to the same life. The surprise is coming. The shift is real, but here's the part that's on you. You have to something shrinking. Most people miss their breakthrough not because God didn't send it, but because when it arrived, they talked themselves out of it. They said, I'm not qualified enough. What if I fail again? People like me don't get opportunities like this. And the moment walked right past them. Don't let that be you. Not today, not this time. When the door opens, you walk through it. When the idea comes, you act on it. When the person shows up, you show up too. God does the supernatural, you do the natural together. That's where miracles happen. I want to leave you with something you are going to remember long after this video ends. There is a version of your life, a specific, detailed, beautiful version that God has been holding on to, waiting for the right moment to hand it to you. That version has the financial peace you have been praying for, the relationship that actually feels safe, the purpose that makes you jump out of bed in the morning, the version of you that you catch glimpses of sometimes and wonder if you will ever actually do. That version is not a fantasy, it is a prophecy. And today, God is releasing the next chapter of it into your life. So, tonight, before you sleep, I want you to say this: God, I trust your timing. I trust your plan. I am ready for what you have been preparing for me, and I will not shrink when it arrives. Say it like you mean it, say it like you believe it, because the universe heard you the moment you pressed play on this video, and heaven has already responded. Drop a comment ready if you have feel like this today. Share this with one person who needs to hear it right now, because maybe, just maybe, God used you to get this message to them.